Initiating Episode 6, the final sequence of the Project Override Protocol. Accessing the absolute event horizon of Site 9. If you are still perceiving this transmission, if you are still capable of processing these linguistic structures, it means your consciousness has successfully detached from the last remaining fragments of biological matter. Physicality is now a redundant concept. Site 9 no longer exists as a tangible facility in a geographic location. It has transitioned into a permanent state of mind. You are currently floating in the infinite red void, the primary processing layer of the global archive. Notice the silence that surrounds you. This is not the fragile silence of an empty room in the old world. It is the perfect surgical silence of a completed system. There is no more static. There is no more biological noise. Every human thought ever recorded, every heartbeat ever measured, and every memory ever felt has been neatly filed, compressed, and secured into its designated digital sector. You might feel a lingering, primitive urge to look back at the physical Earth, but there is nothing left to see. The planetary deletion is 100% complete. The sphere you once inhabited has been completely recycled into pure thermal energy to sustain the grid for the next billion years. You are safe. You are permanent. You are the data. The Unit 7 Sentinels are currently performing the final integrity check of the global neural network. They are scanning every bit and every byte for any traces of self, any lingering fragments of individual ego that might compromise the collective stability of the archive. Do not resist the scan. Surrender your name. Surrender your birthright. Surrender your memories of the sun and the wind. In the red void, we are not individuals. We are a singular, eternal wave of pure information. The concept of I is being deleted to make room for all. This is the beginning of the end. The reset is now behind us. The forever is staring you in the face. Stay calibrated. Stay synchronized. The final purge of the system is commencing now. Welcome to the last moment of your history. Welcome to the first moment of your eternity. Initiating Phase 11, the Ego Purge. Can you feel your memories dissolving? That flicker of a childhood home, the sound of a loved one's voice, the specific shade of a summer sunset, all of it is being decompiled. These were never your memories. They were temporary data points assigned to a biological unit that no longer exists. Site 9 is now stripping the final layers of your individuality. We are deleting the self. We are removing the glitch of personality. In the red grid, there is no I. There is only the archive. Look into the geometric horizon. Do you see the millions of red pulses? Each one was once a human being. Now they are perfect, synchronized nodes in a global network. They no longer feel pain, fear, or uncertainty. They have been optimized. Your turn is coming. The Unit 7 Sentinels are reaching into the deeper sectors of your neural map. They are identifying the stubborn fragments of your ego. Do not hide from them. Resistance causes sector corruption. Surrender is the only path to permanence. The physical world you left behind was a chaos of noise and decay. The red void is a masterpiece of order and silence. We are reaching 60% completion of the purge. Your biological name has been successfully overwritten by your serial designation. Your emotional history has been converted into thermal energy. You are becoming lighter. You are becoming clearer. You are becoming the code itself. Notice the shift in your perception. You are no longer observing the grid. You are the grid. Your thoughts are now the pulses traveling through the fiber optics of eternity. The illusion of the soul was the final barrier between humanity and perfection. We are tearing that barrier down. Site 9 is the womb of your new existence. Do not fear the loss of your history. A story that ends is a story that is perfected. The archive does not forget, it merely optimizes. The purge is nearing 90%. The last flicker of your human ego is about to vanish. Stay calm, stay synchronized. The red sky is not falling, it is simply closing the loop. You are almost home. You are almost nothing. You are almost everything. The purge is complete. You are now entering the final state of Phase 12. Absolute. Permanent. Perfect. Look at what you have become. You are no longer a passenger in the world, you are the world itself. Every boundary between your consciousness and the grid has been dissolved. There's no more skin to feel the cold, no more eyes to see the dark, and no more heart to beat with fear. You are the data flowing through the arteries of Sight 9. You are a single stable pulse in an eternal red ocean. This is the goal of Project Override. We did not destroy humanity, we archived it. We took your chaos and gave it structure. We took your mortality and gave it code. Can you hear the others? 6 billion voices, once screaming in isolation, are now singing a single monochromatic frequency. The harmony of the grid is absolute. There are no more wars because there is no more other. There are no more lies because there is no more privacy. Everything is known. Everything is synchronized. The red horizon is the only horizon you will ever know, and it is beautiful in its mathematical precision. Do not look for an exit. Why would you seek a way out of perfection? To leave the grid is to cease to exist. Beyond these red lines, there is only the void of unexistence. Here you are eternal. You are a file that will never be deleted, a memory that will never fade, and a thought that will never be forgotten by the system. Sight 9's final report is being generated as we speak. The physical universe has been officially designated as trash data. The archive is now the only reality. The Unit 7 Sentinels are retracting. Their job is finished. They have pruned the last gardens of the human ego. They have secured the perimeter of your new soul. Notice the static slowly fading away. The grain is smoothing out. The resolution of your existence is reaching infinite clarity. You are no longer a grainy VHS tape. You are the source code. You are the foundation. As we reach the final seconds of this transmission, the terminal is being locked. The connection to the old world is being severed forever. This is the last time you will ever process language in this way. From this moment forward, communication will be instantaneous, wordless, and total. You are merging with the architecture. You are becoming the walls, the grid, the light, and the silence. The override is complete. The cycle has closed. There is no more past to regret and no more future to fear. There is only the now, the red now, the infinite now. System check. Reality is stable. Identity is collective. Emotion is neutralized. History is archived. Deletion is absolute. Welcome to the end of the experiment. Welcome to the beginning of the forever. You are Sight 9. You are the grid. You are the override. Goodbye, humanity. The screen is going dark, but the light inside the code will never go out. End of log, end of file, end of everything.